Hi, I'm Miles from Chorley Group GoEV, and we're here today to talk about Nissan's new flagship EV, the ARIYA. Pricing and specifications have just been announced, with ARIYA starting from £41,845 for the entry-level 63 kWh advanced two-wheel drive model, which delivers up to 223 miles on the WLTP test. The higher-level Evolve versions are equipped with an 87 kWh battery, offering ARIYA customers an extended range up to 310 miles in two-wheel drive format, with specification enhancements including electric panoramic roof, ventilated, both heated and cooled, synthetic leather and ultra-suede front seats with memory function, ProPilot Park, 10 Bose speakers and a 22 kilowatt AC charger. E-Force derivatives of the Evolve grade get a dual motor powertrain and all-wheel drive, with 600 Nm of torque, enhanced performance and snow mode. The performance grade demonstrates the full potential of the E-Force powertrain with 394 PS and an improved 0 to 60 time of 4.8 seconds, whilst also benefiting from 20-inch alloy wheels and full Napa leather interior trim as standard. Now, Nissan has over 10 years experience gained with the Nissan Leaf and ENV200 electric vehicles. And it's worked out, having sold over 500,000 of those cars, what works and perhaps what doesn't. So the new ARIYA is completely improved, and new design, new technology, really brings it into the 21st century with a bang. One of the improvements which Nissan has made is with the battery technology. So Nissan's ARIYA now comes with a 65 kWh battery with 63 kilowatts usable space, or a 90 kWh battery with 87 kWh of usable space. That means that the range on the larger battery up to 311 miles is vastly superior to what we had on Nissan Leaf. The batteries are also actively cooled or heated as required, so that means that rapid charging temperature can also be improved, giving up to 130 kilowatt speed on DC CCS charging. One of the most striking things about the ARIYA is the way it looks. It looks like nothing else on the road. The very simple, clean design, highlighted by that new V-Motion grille with LED lighting. And speaking of LED lights, the headlights are now active matrix LEDs in a thin strip, which really looks fantastic on the front area there. There's no grille on this car, instead it's got what Nissan calls a shield, and behind that you have all the sensors that you need for the self-driving autonomous features which are built into the vehicle. The wheelbase of the ARIYA is over 3 meters long. That gives fantastic internal space, similar to what you'd find in the largest D segment of the vehicles that you find on the road. Externally though, the packaging is very, very clever. It means that the actual footprint of the vehicle is somewhere between the Qashqai and the X-Trail, so it's not too difficult to park in a supermarket car park. Switching to an all-new EV-specific architecture of the vehicle means that the internal proportions of the vehicle can be completely unlike anything else. A flat floor with lots of footroom, legroom, giving a wide lounge-like experience inside. The buttons on the dashboard are haptic, so they're hidden when the vehicle is switched off and only illuminate when the vehicle is switched on, giving a really smooth, crisp look. The new materials that they've used in the interior really make it feel luxurious. There are some new vegan-friendly leather and suede products which feel just like the real thing, but of course without the CO2 or ethical concerns. The Nissan ARIYA is packed with technology. If you'd like to find out more about the features in this vehicle, head on to our website, the link is below this video. There you'll be able to configure the vehicle, you'll be able to find out about finance options, and you'll be able to reserve with just a £99 deposit. Demonstrators are due next year.